Hey guys, welcome back with another student video. Guys, in this video we will discuss that when you update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS 18.1 beta 7, so you may face a problem that your update stuck on update requested. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, you may just go back and first of all you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, you may click here on your Wi-Fi, you may click here on your Wi-Fi name. Here is the option of forget this network, so you may click here and connect it again. Then guys, you may go back, and if you're connected to mobile data, you will make sure that your 3G, 4G or 5G is working properly. After this guys, here the option of VPN. If there is any connected VPN, you may disconnect it. Then guys, you may click here on general, and here is the option of date and time, so you may click here, and here the option of set automatically, turn this on. Then guys, here the option of background app refresh, so you may click here and you may turn this on. After this guys, here the option of transfer or reset iPhone, click here, click on reset and click on reset network setting. Then guys, you may go back and you may just restart your device, and then open general and click here on software update, and you may check your problem will be fixed, and now your update has been started. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.